Easy release of grease-free liquids. The spring-loaded bottom opening allows for easy release of grease-free liquids. Removable lid for easy pouring. Strain liquids through a new deeper removable lid. The soft grip handle features a squeeze mechanism to release liquids. Standard measurements. The metrics and metrics on the sides are standard, 1/4, 1/3 cup and 2-ounce increments. Store large amounts of liquid. The gravy separator can store up to 32 ounces or 4 cups. Never have the fear of running out of room while straining large amounts. Dishwasher safe. This separator is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. It is recommended to store on the top rack. Top reviews from the United States. Best grease fat separator I have ever used in 40 years. I have used many fat separators over the years for roasts, turkeys and other meats that produce drippings. The drippings are always used for gravy, Yorkshire pudding or any other side dishes that are enhanced by drippings. I like to get as much of the fat off as possible and have even refrigerated drippings overnight to maximize separation. I used this separator right after the turkey finished roasting for Christmas. After sitting for a few minutes to allow separation, the fat drained through the bottom exactly as intended and gave the best fat-free drippings of any separator I have ever used. The gravy was wonderful. I just checked the leftover gravy in the fridge and there is virtually no fat congealed on the top. I also refrigerated the remaining fat in the separator overnight to see what good drippings were left. Only a thin layer of drippings remain at the bottom, exactly where they should be in a separator, while the fat is firm, golden and drippings-free. I haven't washed the separator yet as it still has the fat in it. I will probably have to use a small brush to clean it well, but looking at the design, that should be expected. A fuzzy pipe cleaner might also work. Many good tools require a bit of effort, so that would not cause me to downgrade a product. The results were so excellent that a bit of cleaning effort is well worth it. If I find that a problem develops later, I'll repost as this is so new to me. But so far, I love it.